Umphathiswa wezemfundo kwiphondo laseRhawutini uMatome Chiloane uvakalise inkxalabo enkulu ngezityholo zokuxhatshazwa ngokwesondo ezibandakanya utitshala wezibalo oneminyaka engamashumi amathathu anesixhenxe ubudala kwiSikolo samaBanga aPhakamileyo sase-Ivory Park. Lo titshala utyholwa ngokudlwengula umfundi webanga le-12 okanye imatriki emva kokuba embizele ekhayeni lakhe ngesizathu sokubonelela ngoqeqesho lwabucala. Esi siganeko kukholeleka ukuba senzeke kunyaka ophelileyo kwaye saxelwa ngumama womfundi ekuqaleni kwale nyanga, nto leyo ekhokelele ekubanjweni kotitshala izolo. Kanti ke Isebe lisigxeke kabukhali esi senzo lisitsho lisithi sincatsha ukwethembeka kotitshala kubafundi, abazali nakuluntu luphela.
We are actually concerned about the arrest of an educator, a 37-year-old educator from Ivory Park Secondary School for allegations of rape, which they're quite serious. And we have started as the department with the internal process to make sure that upon the release on bail, we should be in a position to interact with our educator and process this matter as we take it very serious. We understand that this allegation would have occurred, or rather the incident, in December last year. And this matter was reported to the school on the 2nd of March. And the police as well, the case was opened there. The arrest happened on Wednesday, as it were. But the MEC is quite concerned and disturbed, actually, because educators are parents. In absence of the parents, educators are supposed to be assisting to develop, to nurture our children at all times. And their well-being must be guaranteed by the educators as they play that significant role in our schools. So we are quite concerned about this arrest, but safe to say that as a department, we take this matter seriously and it will be attended to. We've realized that some learners and parents, they are planning now to march or to disrupt school, in the affected area that is of Ivory Park. We just want to call upon them not to disrupt, because we've started with the process. I mean, we are processing the matter, so there's no need for any disruption.
Kwelinye icala, Isebe Lezemfundo laseRhawutini liqinisekisa ukuba bonke abafundi bebanga lokuqala nebanga lesibhozo abafake izicelo ngenkqubo ye-intanethi yokwamkelwa baza kufakwa okanye sele befakiwe ngempumelelo ezikolweni. Ekuqaleni kwale veki abafundi abangaphezulu kwama400 kwiindawo eziquka i-Ekurhuleni neKempton Park bebengenazo izithuba ezikolweni, kodwa Isebe lithi bamkelwe ngempumelelo kwizikolo ezizezinye ngoLwesibini. Isithethi uSteve Mabona uthi oku kubonisa inkqubela phambili yesebe ngelixa imizamo iqhubeka nokuphucula inkqubo yokufakwa kwezicelo nge-intanethi.
The Gauteng Education MEC, Umatome Chiloane, wishes to announce the complete placement of outstanding grade 1 and 8 learners whose parents and guardians applied online through the 2026 online admission system. Approximately 484 grade 1 and grade 8 learners remained unplaced in Ekurhuleni, specifically in Tembisa and Kempton Park. By Tuesday evening, on the 3rd of March 2026, the department had successfully placed all remaining learners at alternative schools in the respective areas. Now, in numbers, the total figure of grade 1 and grade 8 learners that were placed for the 2026 academic year through the system accounted at over 392,000. Now, out of that, we also recorded 8.5% of the late applications, meaning that just over 33,000 applicants would have accessed schools during the application period, which was set aside for those that could not apply during the application period. So they were accommodated in December and in January. The department wishes to express its sincere appreciation for the patience that has been shown by parents and guardians. MEC did indicate that the online admission system remains an important tool which will then ensure that all our schools accept children, as it were. The catch-up programs will be invoked so that the learners are taken through the process of making sure that they are not left behind in terms of the curriculum delivery.